I've learned to notice the impact the overlooked things have. Sometimes things are not what they seem. What many may see as a weed has a beautiful purpose. Dandelions are known as weeds and a nuisance. However, they have purpose. They condition the soil and neutralize soil that is too acidic. Dandelions are also the first sign of spring. It is not our place to assign purpose. Instead, it is our assignment to identify our individual purpose, especially assigned by God. Everything in nature has a purpose. So do you. We just have to unplug and place our attention on God. There is so much healing in nature. You can breathe fresh air, lay under the sun, let the water be your music. Acknowledge the simple things in life because they have some of the greatest purposes. We all start out as seeds. We gain our identity through our fertilization. Some are fertilized with love and compassion, while some are fertilized with neglect and despair. Then eventually, roots appear and become a foundation. Your purpose starts at the foundation. Understanding we have no control over our foundation is half the battle. Seeking purpose is a lifetime journey. It changes like the wind. Just like each milestone in our human development has purpose. So where are your roots planted? What are you fertilized with? Are your seeds planted on stony ground, scorched ground, thorny ground, or good ground? Mark 4:5-8. The some fell on stony ground where it had not much earth, and immediately it sprang up, because it had no depth of earth. But when the sun was up, it would scorch, and because it had no root, it withered away. And some fell among thorns, and the thorns grew up and choked it, and it yielded no fruit. And others fell on good ground, and did yield fruit, that sprang up and increased, and brought forth some 30, and some 60, and some 100. I pray we walk in our purpose. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, consider subscribing to support my channel. Have a blessed day.